Welcome to this tutorial on how to clean the SmartCap of the ReactALL system. Proper maintenance and cleaning of the SmartCap are crucial for ensuring optimal performance of your ReactALL. This video will show various procedures to clean your SmartCap, tailored to different situations and requirements. The first procedure is the standard cleaning procedure, which can be used after each experiment. After completing your experiment, take out the SmartCap from the ReactALL system and remove the reactor vial of the previous experiment. Keeping the stirrer assembly attached to the SmartCap, clean thoroughly the stirrer assembly along with upper inner part of the SmartCap using IPA or any other cleaning solvent. Use tissue or lint-free wipes to dry the assembly. After cleaning the stirrer assembly externally, it is important to clean the SmartCap inner channels through the software. For that, insert an empty reactor vial into the SmartCap, then place it back in the ReactALL system and ensure it is properly closed. In the ReactALL software, go to Sampling tab, Control section. Select the reactor where cleaning of the SmartCap is required. Click on Clean SmartCap. The software will ask to confirm if the vial is empty. Click Continue. Wait for the cleaning cycle to complete. Check the status above in sampling state. Once the cycle is complete, take out the SmartCap and check the solution in the reactor vial. If the solution is clear, you can use the SmartCap for the next experiment. If not, you can repeat the clean SmartCap step. Second procedure is Sonication bath cleaning of stirrer, when extra cleaning of the stirrer is required. After taking out the SmartCap from the ReactALL system, unscrew the nut at the bottom of the stirring assembly while keeping the sample tube attached. Take care to not lose the nut while cleaning. Place only the stirrer assembly, stirrer and nut in a small beaker or glass bottle filled with cleaning solvent. Sonicate for 8 to 10 minutes. After sonication, dry the stirrer assembly and reassemble it with the SmartCap. Put back the SmartCap in the ReactALL system with an empty vial. Then go to the software and do the same steps shown before for clean SmartCap. Third cleaning procedure should only be performed when there are any blockages or excessive residue in the sample tube. Remove the overpressure cartridge holder, overpressure cartridge and plugs from the SmartCap. Do not put these in the sonicator. Disassemble the stirring assembly and sample tube. Place the stirrer assemble and sample tube in a beaker or glass bottle filled with cleaning solvent. Along with the SmartCap, sonicate for 8 to 10 minutes. After sonication, dry all parts and reassemble the SmartCap components carefully. Please take care to properly screw the sample tube straight into the SmartCap to avoid any misalignment. Also reassemble the overpressure cartridge holder and plugs. Put the SmartCap in the ReactALL system with an empty vial and do the steps for clean SmartCap in the software as shown before. If you have any questions about cleaning your ReactALL and SmartCap, please reach out to us.